live sessions and WhatsApp group. I know it. Those people who attend live sessions and those who are active in the WhatsApp group, they usually score very well. It's very interesting, I tell you. And this is the discussion between, I mean, among the tutors we do. Sometimes in our WhatsApp group, we see there are some students who are actually asking a lot of questions. And sometimes some of them, they become really pain. You understand pain? So there is something I already have answered. And then he says, okay, what if it like this? What if it is like that? And he is like, asking maybe one question from multiple dimensions, or maybe one question multiple times, or maybe, I don't know. But he's asking too much. He's overactive. And this boy or this girl is, it looks like that he is irritating me. But you know what? He is the highest scorer always. Every time I spot in a group, because I'm actually part of all of the groups, so I see that there is one person in F5 or F7 or whichever, and that person is always sending questions. And maybe I know that he is like, suffocating the tutor or trying to kill the tutor by asking so many questions. But I spot the name, and every time when the result is announced, that is the student who comes up with the highest marks, who has been, I don't know, a pain throughout the process, is actually the one who brings you the most happiness because he brings the highest marks. So please remain active in the group. You should be asking your own questions. Plus, you should be paying attention to the questions which someone else has asked. And that's a learning point as well. And don't shy that I should be asking or not. People who are trying to understand and people who are part of the learning process will always ask questions, and I appreciate it. When I do my live classes and somebody asks a question, I say, thank you very much for asking so many questions, or thank you very much for asking two interesting questions, because you made my day, because you made my lecture interesting, you made my discussion interesting. Otherwise, if I'm speaking only for 90 minutes, it becomes boring. But because you are asking questions, so you are giving me an opportunity to make this lesson interesting. Okay, join the weekly live sessions, watch recordings of live lessons if you miss the session. If you cannot miss because of the time zone differences, you will get the recording. Join the WhatsApp group and remain active in the group. Ask questions and read questions raised by other students. Okay.